Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So guys, in today's video I brought ideas about some patterns which are really beautiful and to just different from others. They are flowers. Yes, you can make flowers from the crochet that looks really like original flowers, and you could just place them in any kind of place, any kind of corner in your house. It will give really refreshing look and just make your house bright and colorful. So guys, you can just have ideas in this video and make your house beautiful. Every flower have different meaning and different representation, and so flowers are really important for any kind of occasion or decoration. So you can have so many ideas in this video to make flowers from crochet patterns, to make your lounge, drawing room, to make your house beautiful. These flowers in these videos are in different colors and different designs, and it's wonderful that you can make any kind of flower with crochet and it looks like really original flowers. Guys, any kind of occasions is incomplete without flowers including in the decoration. There are so many kind of flowers exist in different kind of colors, and they have their every flower has their own importance and representation. Like every flower represent different thing. So it's important that you have awareness of representation of every flower for different kind of occasions. I mean, you should know that which flower are best to be used in which kind of occasion. I mean, by knowing this, you can arrange flowers accordingly. Like flower can just make the occasion beautiful and arrangement really beautiful, or they can just be very appropriate, like nobody wants to be in this occasion because of the wrong choice of flower. I think flower speaks faster than voice. You can just tell anybody about your feelings through flowers. People tend to feel special when they know that somebody cares for them, and it feels really great when somebody knows that somebody is really caring for them and they just brought flower for them. And when you select the right type of flower for your partner for any special occasion, and you just use them accordingly, it feels great and it make your relationship great. It's really impact on your relationship. There are 4 benefits of flower you will get through decorating your house with flowers. First of all, mood elevation. They can improve your mood and just make you feel great and just give a positive vibe and positive impact on your mood by just give you memories of any birthday, your wedding, or any kind of anniversary. Through flowers, your mood really boosts up and you feel great. This is the first benefit you get from the flower by just placing them in your house or any corner. The second one is stress reduction. Many studies has revealed that the flower and the color of flowers can just reduce your stress, and it's proven by so many people. The colors of flowers has a special nerve calming effect on the people who are suffering from stress, and they just reduce their stress and make them feel comfortable. And the third one is they provide liveliness and colorful environment to your house. Like they help to create an environment with so much life and colors, and a really refreshing environment you just will have at your home if you have flowers around you, especially flowers with different kind of vibrant colors. And last one is creating natural space. Flowers are essential to make environment fresh and natural. Like if you're living in a flat in the city, so sometimes you feel that your space is crowdy and then, like, they are so noisy. When you have flower at your home, it makes natural and fresh environment for your house. So it's really great to have flowers around you. So in my video there are so many patterns of flowers. They look like real flowers and are easily made by crochet. So by just simple skill of using crochet, you can make your house beautiful. And really, if you just going to gift them to anybody, any special one, they will feel really great and really special that you care for them and you made something really beautiful by yourself for them and on your any special occasion. Buying flowers from the market and just giving to your special one is great, but this is something really, like, really great if you just make by yourself and just give them to your special one. And they're also really beautiful, means really refreshing. You can just see really vibrant color and different kind of colors are there, and different type of flowers are there in this videos. So you can just select any one and just put it on your house, or just give it as a gift to someone, so that will be so special. So guys, I just do so much hard work by collecting these kind of pictures from the internet. If you like them and if you want to see more ideas like these, so just let me know in comment box, so I'll be putting these kind of pictures time to time. I especially myself thoroughly enjoy making and collecting these kind of pictures because they are really beautiful. I hope you people are also enjoying by just watching this video, and especially getting ideas about lifestyle, about any pattern of crochet. These flowers are really special and really something really incredible, because all are looking like original flowers. Nobody can believe that they are not original. It's really a artistic piece. Like the one who is making these kind of flower are really talented. So I hope you will also just try to make from crochet art. Every person wants their house to look beautiful and bright. By placing flowers at your home will enhance your mood, and then it will make a really refreshing environment, and really give you a vibrant and best feeling. um, and from nowadays, like, everybody is so stressed about the things that are going through our life. So by placing these kind of flowers or just doing these little arrangements for yourself will make you special and make you fresh. And these little things and little arrangements have a really strong and bigger impact on you and your life. When you will feel great and refreshed, your life will be really good, like you will be feel healthy. So thank you.